All right, guys, it is time for another one of those glorious T. Henri reviews, overviews, whatever. This is actually one of their older introductions. This is the Gullwing, actually their original release, I believe, the very first of his designs to come out. But we're going to take a look at it anyway because there are still a few of these floating around out there. Obviously, I have a couple in my hands, but it's an all-new colorway coming this fall. So, yeah, you won't want to miss these. So as glorious as this frame is from the beginning, right off I mentioned there's new colorways coming, so obviously it's a good frame, right? So what he did, this is based kind of off the old Clubmaster style, but taken to a new direction. So you've got this octagonal shape going here. It's a little bit different than normal, but then you've got the custom milled titanium cores that are palladium 24 karat and white gold dipped depending on the exact finish. They do go a little bit further to make sure there is plenty of real precious metal on these frames. I am struggling today and have forgotten how many microns that is, but it's good, okay? We'll leave it at that. So each of these Gullwings, yes, that is inspiration for these, the original Mercedes Gullwing. I think we all know how beautiful that car was in its day, still is today, and why that's a great inspiration. Now, this guy here we have got with what they call the G-clip, which is an accessory for the Gullwing. G-clip, Gullwing clip, get it? Stay with me. But you've also got really beautiful detailing and coining down through all the way around that bottom rim, as well as, of course, his signature ceramic nose pads, which do have that T. Henri logo on there. But I want you to take a second and appreciate how this frame is versus how well it translates into that clip-on, because a lot of frames just don't. But this one adds an extra layer of pop and detail to the frame that you generally don't see. In fact, they continue that coining onto the clip as well, so you have this almost seamless look, but you've got that really cool retro punch on the frame once you throw the clip on. The clip-on on? Which way should that be? Wearing, it is very nice, very good on the face. It's going to fit pretty much any face shape out there. This is a frame I like to call a personality frame because it's all about the personality, the look, and the image you want to project with that frame. Now, with the T. Henris, you do get, of course, their signature shields on either side. That is not riveted, I believe. I think these are all heat sunk. I can't see it on this frame. We'll see it when we get the clear ones. Yeah, that's coming. Clear with the white gold. Oh, can't wait to see it. They call it the ice. You'll definitely want to get that color. Now, what's really cool with these, as with all T. Henris, it is this. They limit the production for every single batch. Each of these, I believe, are right at 60. Yeah. The Shadow, which is the black you saw at the beginning, is number 40 of 60 in my hand. And the Jaguar, which I am wearing, is number 40 of only 59 produced. The clip count I don't have. I did not bring that. But then, you know, it's something special. Not just the limited production cards here, but he actually signs these. And yeah, these are handwritten certificates and signed for every one of these frames. Let's see what we've got here. Custom titanium core wire finished in 18 karat yellow, white, rose, gold. Temple arms laminated, 2 rivets. Yeah, okay, well, that's a rivet. That's not. There you go. Now we know. But as far as style points, does it get any better than this? Seriously, you've got something that is elegant and classy enough to wear anywhere, still makes a really cool statement. It fits the industrial vibe. It fits into any situation you're going to go to. This is a frame, I love to say it's versatile because it dresses up or down. I'm wearing a freaking t-shirt recording this. Come on. and it just works. It's the nice little amber highlights. And this one, the new colorways we've got coming are going to be a translucent green, translucent blue to brown fade. Then we have got what they call shamrock, which is a nice, deep, rich green crystal as well, I believe. They've got their new asteroid, which is going to be the black with, I think it was gold over here. I don't remember. Actually, I don't think they're doing that in this one because we already have the black. There's 5 new colors coming. That's all I've got today. Obviously, you need to grab one of these before they're gone, but keep your eye out this fall for the new colorways coming because they are going to be stunning. I mean, these are stunning already, don't get me wrong, and this Jaguar in particular will probably be sold out before I even finish speaking, if it's not already. I really don't know. I know Tyler's got one because I've seen him post it. Other than that, I don't think there's many of these floating around out there at this point. So if you missed out, too bad. If you didn't, well, you did anyways. Because there's more colors. Overall weight and feel of these, really good on the face. Tyler does a great job with the ergonomics of the frames. Just an overall good, clean fit on all of them. You know, I'm talking about T. Henry's today, and I actually didn't wear mine, but I do have one of the new Evo. And as far as the clip, this is one of the easier to throw on. Straight from clear to something a little punchier. It's not super dark. You can still wear this inside. Definitely recommend grabbing a clip for one of these if you're going to do it, because it's just part of the look to me. I mean, the frame looks great without it, but it really punches up good when you add it to it. 2 hands for these two, not just the glasses. Let me know what you think of these. I know it's really a unique frame, but it's also very elegant at the same time, which I think Tyler does a great job on overall. It's bringing that elegance into something a little bit wilder, so it really works in a lot of different situations. And it's really unusual to see that with some nice fun colors, which is what drew me to the brand, along with the exotic automotive inspiration. So let me know your thoughts on these, if you think it's really something special or overpriced junk, and we will fight if you think it's overpriced junk. Please leave the channel, see yourself out, do not call me. I'll catch you guys next time. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think. Yeah, channel, me, glasses, whatever. Catch you next time.